buy Steam games with Google Pay, so let's get started. First, simply go to any web browser and search for this Steam website. And once you are in the Steam website, let's browse through the game you want and let's add that to the cart. So here, browse through the games, and once you find one, simply tap on that game. So now let's add this game to the cart. Simply scroll down and there you will find Add to Cart option available. Tap on the Add to Cart. And once you do so, go to the View My Cart option available there. Once you are inside the View My Cart, simply tap on the Choose a Payment Method option available in the right side. So once you tap on the Choose a Payment Method option, what happens, you will get to see all the payment method available for the Steam games. So here you can see if the Google Pay is available or not. So simply it is not available for Steam games. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.